andito tayo ngayon guys sa Dasma. Ayan, sa may Aguinaldo Highway, kaya maraming sasakyan. And kasama ko si Ash. Kasi pupunta kami ngayon dito sa coffee shop, dito sa Cavite. Specifically sa Dasma. Ayan, yung Origins. Ayan, sobrang cool ng cafe na to. Kakaiba siya kasi meron siyang billiards. Oo, pwede nyo i-try yung billiards habang nagkakape. So, tara. Tagal ko nang gustong pumunta dito actually. Niyaya ko yung mga co-teacher ko dati, pero hindi kami nabibigyan ng time. So, ngayon kami makakapunta dito. So, second floor siya. Nasa baba yung Amber, tsaka 7-Eleven. So, second floor lang. Ayan, ito. Ito ba yun? Parang ito na nga siya. Ayan siya. Ay, saan naman masyadong tao? Ay, meron din parang comp shop. May third floor pa pala siya. Ay, gaga po. Ayun, walang naglalaro. So, ang ganda dito, guys. Yun. Sobrang cool dito kasi lahat may naglalaro. Tanong ko kung may bakante. So, ayan, nandito na kami and umu-order lang kami. Sakto may isang order ka na ba? Hot matcha lang. Matamis na yun.
Yes. Meron po tayong dalawang matcha, ceremonial tsaka po yung house blend. Yung ceremonial po, deep sa matamis.
Wala kayong hojicha. Yung house blend na lang sa akin.
House blend na lang. Yung hojicha po meron wala po, pero meron po yung horchata. Horchata.
Sakto yung dating natin na walang tao. Ay, may bakante, I mean.
Parang ginawa, nilaan siya para sa...
Aray, ayan. Cute.
Nasa South.
Ha? Wait lang. Hintayin nyo. 10 agad masushoot dyan. Ang hina pala. Nakakamaray pala siya, babe. Wala yan. Kasama. Uy, ang galing mo! Stripe ka! Lang, ang galing ni Ash. Lang, matatalo ni Ash. Ano ba yan? Ay! Sumot, guys. Ikaw pa din sumot dito. Oo. Ayun o, dalawa. Parang galing ni Ash. Ang galing mo, Ash. Go. Stripe ka, ha? Galing ni Ash, puti. Ako. Ang hirap. Nakakatuwa, okay? Ang hirap. Pabalik pa siya ng pato.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'm gonna show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive, it's passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who back in being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast, like a roast, like a gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to fulfill what your God, he was built to last, yeah. Never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams of modestness. That's what gonna take away. I could play a million mind games, but it's not the same. Something not illogical, something that is typical. Rub it on and let you go. Make yourself unstoppable. You're irresponsible. You're always possible. If you just believe, you would be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up. No, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, on my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. I'm vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
First round, nanalo ako. Talo ko si Ash. Akala ko matatalo ko ni Ashi. Wow. Galing ni Ash. Sa second round na kami. Bumalik din siya. Uy! Ano ka? Solid. Solid. Pa. Pero ang hirap ng binigay mo sa akin. Ikaw na, Ish. Ano order mo? So, ayan po. Ito na po. Si Ish na lang. Ako na 8 na lang yung akin. Si Ish meron pa siyang dalawa. So, for the second round, sino yung mananalo sa aming dalawa? Si Ash ba? Or ako? So, ayan. Ito na po yung mga huling sandali. Titira siya. Anong titirahin mo? Blue? Yung black. Ayan, pinagbigyan ako ni Ash. Sabi ni Ash, ikaw na. Pag yan hindi pa na-shoot talaga, sobrang lapit na lang yan. Nanalo mo ko dalawang. Sabi na dito ako magaling eh, hindi sa bowling eh. So ayan, nanalo ko kay Ash. Ash, anong masasabi mo?
Masasabi ko lang ay dinaya.
Grabe dinaya. Hindi kasi iba yung pag umuupo ka.
luto.
Ay, luto. Dahil kasi umuupo ka, hindi nakita mo yung ginagawa mo.
Umuupo siya tapos
Nakaganon mo.
talagang mini-measure.
Oo. Dahil kasi aralin mo yung mga angle. Akala mo talaga.
Sinasabi niya, pag titira siya, mga ganun pa siya, tapos bumuboses pa. Babarda to.
So, yun lang guys. Kamusta naman yung on-order mo?
Ang sarap niya, kaso, pag dara-diretso yung higop mo, hindi ko lang yung matamis, yung pataas, di ko lang.
Sa akin, ang tamis ng matcha. Kasi hindi siya mainit. Siya mainit. Pero ayun, okay lang. Parang billiard yung peg talaga nila dito, no? So, ayan guys. Ayan guys. Meron sila ditong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na tables for billiards. So, okay lang kung minsan makakasabay talaga kayo. And for waiting, okay lang kasi may makukuhaan naman dito. Ganun lang.